Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare Kajala ubak Pol Lyngdoh, ulaong bakajing tokit halor kajing kenok Jingpyndonkam Bakla ya Khaw, kalalap bakam don nongrim. Habakran hakani kehenyau terik jalio ahajar paulai, ubak Pol ulaong bau Advocate General ula ai yakinia bakajing kenok kamla ban yeng. Lakban kedau bahaka arpo khandai terik naitung ahajar arpawei, ka sorkar jala kala thung jing tokit bamarwei da unong bishar bala syong that, umul changat, halor ke Jingpyndonkam Jingpyndonkam Bakla ya Khaw basan pau kilo haduk shilak berni na Meghalaya bala yok kurup ki pulit Assam hakudam haboko.
Clear, was very lucid, was very very pointed in his observation that the allegations have no legs to stand upon, and therefore the case cannot be regarded as a scam. Having obtained the views of the law department and the Advocate General, and having observed the view that the actual incident and the case was delayed because of lack of coordination with the Assam police, where the scam was supposed to have taken place. I had observed accordingly that in future there should be a definite timeline for inquiries, so that parties who are alleged to have committed such scams are not, and the department are not dragged into needless controversy. From the file motives, it was just a matter of the location which was not properly recorded, and therefore the case was handed over to the Assam police, and on further inquiries and based on the inquiry report, the file then went through the law department and the Advocate General, and they were very clear, as I said, they were very clear that no such scam had taken place.